going on, everybody? My lady and I came down here, Long Beach, California. Took a nice little weekend trip. Got a hotel right here on the marina. Checking it out, taking some pictures real quick. Say hi, babe.
Hi. That's where you climb up on. Look at that. It's all broke off.
What you doing down there?
But like, see all those big shells on the rocks that like corroded on them?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at it. I want that one over there too, but that one's like in the rocks right there. I don't think we can get it. I have to like literally go in
there. It's pretty cool under one of the bridges out here next to our hotel. Got ourselves a little shell collection. Went digging and picking. She did good.
Very good.
Here's the marina. Then there's our hotel. Grand Cell Hotel. Nice place. We got up in the corner balcony. We had the ocean view. It's really nice. We had two balconies. Since we had the corner room.
Corner room, not corner room.
Corner room. When your girl's in love with your truck as much as you are. I love you, babe.
It's different.
Look at the watermelon.
Huh?
Come over and take a selfie with my grapes. You'll be more famous than that. Yeah.
Great tag. Oh my god, dude.
Those look so good. What a beautiful area. Hi. Leaving the farmer's market. I bought all the sailboats. What's up, babe? Walking down. Oh, really?
Oh, okay.
It's popular over here. Alright, count all the sails. Yeah, right. This is too cool. What's up, girl? This is gorgeous out here.
Like, even like this is adorable.
I know.
Is, like,
that's a cute
gorgeous.
little boat. These boats are cool. They're fast.
Well, yeah.
Red Bull for the win. right down here at the end. Look at that. That's so cool.
Well, you know what?
It's a cool boat. This is so fucking cool.
This is like the life.
Yeah, I was just gonna say. This is cool. Ferris wheel, Long Beach, California. This is beautiful. View is amazing. Couldn't ask for a better day. I love you, honey. Got the ocean right over there. Hard to see on the camera. There's a big ship over there. Little lighthouse over there. Outback Steakhouse.
It's gorgeous.
Hooters. This is so beautiful.
Definitely worth the trip.
This has been one amazing trip, and we're more than happy to share it with you guys. We feel blessed.
If you haven't gone to Long Beach, go to Long Beach.
Definitely go to Long Beach.
Definitely.
Very recommended.
Very cool stuff.
Got a cool little balloon. Got a flower in it. It's very adorable. She loves it.
We do. It'll last for quite a while.
Hopefully. So, a very beautiful place. If you have not been here, definitely come check it out. What are you doing? Look at how pretty this is. It's the Ferris wheel.
It's gonna be cool.
This is a video. Check that out. Funnel House. Churro Sundae. Fresh churro. How good is it, babe? Dipped in caramel. Look at that. Funnel cake. Strawberry cheesecake ice cream with fresh strawberries and caramel and whipped cream. Look at that. Woo-wee. Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god. It's called what? The Funnel House?
The Funnel House.
The Funnel House?
Cute little blue shack over here.
Right by the pier, guys. Oh my god.
Right by the pier. Amazing. That is so good.
That's divine. dragging
cool.
his grill. Look at him dragging his grill.
Hell yeah.
Fuck, dude. Oh my god.
What's up, kitty?
It's so cool.
This is cool. Just a giant fucking lake. Hell yeah. You know it's a big lake when they have fucking lifeguard towers and shit. What's up, baby? We're filling our bottle with beach sand. Always have a little memory of this trip. How clear the water is. That's so cool. Guys, just made it back home. It's the end of our trip. Definitely got a back seat full of souvenirs. We had a really good time. Got our bottle full of sand, seashells. So we did good. Say that 10 times fast. It was a good trip. We had fun. We had a lot of fun. We're finally back home. We get to go in and see our doggies.
Figure out the AC now.
Yeah, our AC. Half our AC went warm.
This one's cold.
This is ice cold. This is like blowing like 90 degrees heater. I don't know why. And it's turned all the way down, so I guess I melt some fix, of course. Truck did good. New injectors, new radiator, everything did good. So I think next week we're gonna go to Idaho and deliver a Razor Rack. So it's gonna be fun. We get to do this again.
It's coming.
So thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.